Hey guys, today I want to show you how to wire a GFI. As you can see here, this is just a regular 15 amp GFI, and I am wiring it with number 12 wire. So this one has got pressure plates. The silver screw takes the white wire, the gold screw takes the black wire, and the green screw takes the ground wire. So all you'll do is stick your green screw under that pressure plate and tighten it down, and then you got to look here on the back, and you've got terminals that say line and terminals that say load. So the load is for if you need to protect more outlets down the line, like on a kitchen countertop or something, you'll run the second set off the load side. But here all we've got is this one GFI outlet or GFCI receptacle. So all we're going to do is hook into the line side. We've got the white on the silver screw, black on the gold screw. Tighten them down. That's how you wire a GFI outlet or a GFCI outlet. If y'all got any questions, feel free to ask down in the comments. And appreciate y'all for watching this video. Y'all have a great day. The tools that I used, just as a pointer, I've got a Klein ratcheting screwdriver here. There's a ratcheting screwdriver from Klein, and I'm running the Klein EXC bit. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. I'm running the EXC bit from Klein. It's like a square flat combo. It's perfect for these outlets. And this ratcheting screwdriver down here in the base has got all kinds of bits: star bits, Phillips bits, flathead bits, square bits, and EXC bits. So, and then I'm using the Romex strippers. These are Romex strippers, so you can strip 12-2 and 14-2 down here on the end, and then you've got 12 and 14 here in the actual wires. It's spring loaded, works great. You can cut 632 and 832 screws, and you can make your loops on your wire. This side's for stranded loops, and this is for solid loops. So I'll have links to those. And again, make sure you put the white wire on the silver screw and the black wire on the gold screw. And that's all you got to do. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.